Hi, my name is Dr. Sharon DeVivo, and I'm the president of Vaughn College. And welcome to our open house. This is so amazing that we can be together in this way in a virtual environment, and we really welcome you today to an event that offers you the opportunity to see if Vaughn College is the right place for you. So today is all about, hearing directly from faculty and students and understanding the value of a Vaughn degree. We have this incredible vision to change the world one student at a time with a transformational education that offers a lifetime of opportunity. And that could be you that I'm talking to in terms of that vision. So we are really a community committed to your success. And that means our small size allows us to really focus on you. So whether it be research projects or extra support or knowing you by name, as you become the president of a club or an organization, we really are here to support you and your educational pathway. It's the chance to make friends, new friends, and to be really successful. About 80% of our students identify from an underrepresented background. And so if diversity is something that's really important to you, both in terms of the student body as well as faculty and staff, then Vaughn's a really good place for you. You will feel really at home there. And the evidence of our outcomes is really our success in terms of finding that great career path. So, in the latest surveying that we just did of graduates, 92% of our students were employed or continuing their education within 1 year of graduation. 76% were those in their field or a related field. So that's how we know our curriculum is really closely aligned with industry standards. The other evidence that we have that tells us that we're on the right track is that there was a study done that was published in the New York Times that looked at those institutions that were the best at moving students from the bottom 40% in income to the top. And we were number one in the nation. So that's really giving you a sense of what it means to acquire a Vaughn education and also just the amazing opportunities that are available in aviation, engineering, management, and technology. And it's because we have this really strong connection with employer partners. So whether they're coming for career fair, which we do both in the spring and the fall, or they're participating in our advisory councils, which means that they're telling us directly what they need in terms of curriculum, or they're doing specialized employer engagement days where it's just you and them one day on campus, or you're attending an internship or going to a conference where you're able to connect to companies directly in terms of internships and employment, right? We are really all about making that successful connection to your all-important career. And we really want to make a difference for students who attend full-time. And that's why we have the Vaughn Guarantee. So any eligible student who's not employed full-time in their field of study within 1 year after graduating, who's also in an active job search and is in either our Bachelor of Science degree or our Associate in Occupational Studies, we will pay off your loans for 1 year. Or you can choose to enroll in our MBA in Aviation Management or an MS in Airport Management. That's how strongly we believe that we're going to help you to be successful. So as you sit through the academic sessions today, look for information about where students have internships, where they're getting employed, and how their education is really contributing to their success. And decide if you see yourself as part of this wonderful community. So again, welcome to today. Thank you so much for being here, and we look forward to seeing you on campus.